afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. So it's so good to see Bangalore all surrounded with women. I have few audience in men here, which is a good ratio still for a skin demonstration. My name is Arpita Das. I'm a cosmetologist, and today I am presenting Mintry, a brand from US, and it's a very quick detan facial. You can say a detan cleanup, basically, which we are doing it. Okay, and so it's basically for those kind of salon where apart from a detan facial, you still want to make some money making just doing a quick detan cleanup, but you don't want to do again a 5-step for a cleanup. You just want to show result in 2-step. So this is a particular product where we are just doing 2-step, 2.5 step I would say, and we are just giving a very good result. And I'm just waiting for my model to start. Meanwhile, I just want to introduce the kit with you. So this is the kit of Mintry Detan. You can call it a cleanup or a quick fix or a Detan Express on the go. And this particular kit has 6 services, and it just have like 6 of cleanser, 6 of mask, and 6 SPF. We have SPF 50 here, and with a neutralizer toner. So it's a very simple. The price of this kit is around on MRP is around 1800. However, that means it comes down to 300 per service. But after discount, if you just charge, it just maybe comes to 150, 200 depending on how much volume you are buying. So based on that, you can easily charge your client 999, a very good cleanup in that service, right? So I'm going to show you literally a before and after result for this cleanup. And while I'm doing this cleanup for you guys, I also want to tell you the ingredients and the power why this particular product is so powerful that it can give you result in 15 minutes, and you can still charge 1000 or 999 from your client, and you just have to do products. So it's very I would say it's very feasible for the client. So me as a technical person, I want to show you that how you make money first, okay, and then depending on how you make money first, the brand will make money. And we want to make this particular service very simple for you and more safer. So how many of you have salons here? Raise your hands. Everyone. Interesting audience, okay? And how many of you do detan in your facial? Everyone. Detan is something like everybody wants to do. And the kind of pollution we go through every day, definitely detan is something, the savior for a quick fix. So in bridal season or any particular client where you want to put a detan, specifically a client who comes from a travel or a beach or a vacation, you are always conscious that maybe we are maybe we're not able to give a particular detan, maybe to react to the client. So I want to show you detan. So she's our sweet model. What's her name? Namita, thank you for becoming our model. Please come and relax here, and we're going to no problem. Perfect. And guys, it's 15 minutes, and after that you guys have any question, just ask me. The main ingredient is the mask, which is a 2nd step. The magic is in the 2nd step. So I'm going to open this particular product. We take the black mask, the 2nd step, the cleanser, and the sunscreen. Only these 3 products what we have it. A cleanser, okay, and then we have a neutralizer also. We have a cleanser, we have the black mask, we have the sunscreen, and of course in this box what we get is this particular neutralizer toner, so which is also help to balance the pH of the skin. So what happened whenever we put the cleanser, we clean the face to make sure there is no dirt, nothing on the face. Then we put this mask, the magic mask, the one which is an organic mask. It still gives you a complete before and after skin, color. You can see the color change in 15 minutes, and a safe product without chemical. And because it has the mud and property of charcoal, so when we apply this product, definitely the client feel little stretch. So you can always say that you cannot claim it as in the skin would be stretched enough, because we are doing a lightening kind of we are just doing a lightening kind of service. But yes, it does gives you that kind of stretch of your skin. Sometimes a client feel that my skin is all wrinkle-free after this particular product usage. But what I just want to show you a before after. Just hold on with me for 2 minutes before I just want to prepare the client. So I just want to ask, how many of you charges for a cleanup, detail cleanup on your salon? 100. 1200. 1200. Excellent. And any other price for it? And how many steps you do for that? 4 step. Minimum 4 step. And you charge around 1200 to 1500. 15. 750. That's a good price. So anything between 700-800 to 1200, depending on the size of the salon and the area, we charge for a cleanup detail. And you say 4 step, right? Here I am doing a 3 step, and we'll just give you a difference, absolute difference of the color lightening of your client, and you can charge somewhere around again 700 to 900, depending on the kind of discount you get. And based on that, it's all depends on how much the product, the service is costing to you. So the MRP of this particular one service, the cost is around 300, but maybe with discount it becomes 250, 200, depends. So we're just preparing the client. Very simple. You can do this particular service while your client is doing a pedicure or doing a nails or doing probably a hair spa. Right, so because all you need is 15 minutes, okay, 15 minutes, and I have the product. We have the Mintry booth just next to the once you enter. We have our booth, and you can all try this product on your hair, just to have that confidence that how it changes the skin, the skin color, and take care of all your tanning immediately in 15 minutes. We sometimes, you don't have to keep it for 15 minutes. 12 minutes is more than enough. So this is Mintry cleanup, detail cleanup, and it's so powerful that you don't have to use any kind of chemical, detail that we have it in the market. In organic, we are giving you a detail product, and it goes for all skin type. Even on sensitive skin, if it's first and second grade of sensitivity, you can do it on sensitive skin as well, okay? And you can do it on acne skin also, that doesn't matter. In fact, sometimes because it has charcoal, it also takes out the oil of the extra production of sebum on our skin, and it gives you absolutely flawless skin, so it goes for all skin type and all skin condition, okay? So we are just cleaning the skin with the makeup, extra makeup with a cleansing wipe, and we do have a cleanser. From the organizer, do you have a scissor? Just the face, yeah, that's the face. So just do a very quick cleansing with any wet wipe or just a cotton dipped in regular water. We call it a superficial cleaning, a simple cleaning of the skin, because we do have a cleanser to do the proper cleaning on the skin.
Hello. This muka fruit at you time la. Huh? Okay.
So it's important to do a simple cleaning initially just with the water, because that sometimes takes the extra dirt and everything which is there on the skin, and then we can start our actual cleaning.
There part na.
Can we have some music please in the background? Sir? Anybody from TV Jatin? So you don't have to, do any extra preparation. And sometimes, I did it on a client. The client was taking a hair spa on shampoo station, right? So the client was lying down, and the hair spa, the application of the mask and everything was happening on shampoo station. And I thought, while the client is doing it, it's like minimum 15 to 20 minutes, apply the mask, emulsify, then wash. Why don't I just take this opportunity to apply a mask on client's face? So on shampoo station itself, I did it on the client, and the client, the moment she gets up and sit in front of the mirror for the blow dry, she's like, I can see an absolute difference between my previous skin and this skin. So I want every one of you to notice her skin texture color right at the moment, and then maybe we can just do, yeah. So we are using the cleanser first. It's a gel cleanser, very transparent. Cleansing is, I think, who all does facial? You do? Everyone does? You do facial? So cleansing is what? How many minutes we should do cleansing? 2 to 3 minutes? Yes. And 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Yes. And 3 minutes definitely is the minimum we should do cleansing. And it should be clockwise and anti-clockwise. We should not use this area for cleansing, because it's going to generate heat and the product will more penetrate. So it's just like simple cleansing of 2 to 3 minutes for clockwise and anti-clockwise. And it's so nice whenever we're using this area. By default, from 4 fingers it comes down to 2 fingers. By default. So we don't have to use our 4 fingers here while cleansing, because we don't want the cleanser and everything to go on the hair and everything. So it's simple cleansing, and then we will remove it with water. You can do it on, I forgot because my friends were raising and saying hi. So you can do it on men and women both. We have seen extremely good results when it comes to doing it on men. And the product quantity for men and women are absolutely good. Even on women's face, if it's a bigger size, bigger area, like somebody who's a broader face, you can use 2 sachets and you can charge accordingly to the client. For men, definitely, sometimes we sell products also. So it's like the cleansing you have done proper. You can remove it twice with 2 wipes. You can remove. The more you clean the face, like it's my own experience, the more I clean the face properly, it's so easy for me to get a good result. So So I literally, put all my efforts and focus to make sure that I'm cleaning it very, very nicely. And now the product is completely gone and I am going to apply. So what we have done is we have taken this mask, right? We have mixed simple with a brush, help of brush, and apply on the skin. Very neat, clean, very neat mask. You don't have to mix anything, no powder, it's no gel, nothing, no water. Just with the help of brush, very nicely you can apply it all over the face, neck, and your decollete and your decollete area. So you can see, I still have so much of mask left, even though I've covered the entire face. I still have so much of product left, and very nicely you can apply it all over the skin. And let me ask the model that how the model is feeling. Ma'am, are you getting any kind of tingling sensation, any kind of burning, any other sensation? It's like nice, right? And this particular product doesn't have any like strong fragrance or any kind of bad fragrance. So it's a very good experience. So what matters is like the ultimate experience for a client with a good result. So I'm applying this product. You can do a double coat. And now who is gonna help me with the time check? Can we check the time right now? And we're going to apply this product. We give it for 10 minutes by your watch. Now I want to tell you the function of this particular product. So once you apply the mask, this mask will only work once I make this mask wet. Like this mask has to be activated with this particular product, like with the neutralizer, right? So once I apply it, I'm going to spray it and make sure this particular mask is working on the skin. So the moment I see that it's getting dry, like every 2-3 minutes you have to check. And if you think this particular product is getting dry, the mask, it will stop working. So like with this particular service, you can't just leave the client and go outside and do a threading or a waxing or a quick help to the hairdresser. No, it's not going to work. We need to give this attention because we need to put this spray every 2-3 minutes. So, and we have to justify the client, the value for money also. So it's very important that we stay next to the client. We keep watching the mask. We spray all over the face whenever we feel that it's getting dry. Because honestly, you can't complain to me that it's not working because you really have to focus on the mask, that the mask is wet. And sometimes, like it all depends. Sometimes one of the clients can say that, okay, I'm having a slight tingling sensation, a slight. And the moment she says that, you put this spray and it will subside. So there is no side effect at all. There is, I can literally, say with all my confidence that none of your client will get any side effect with this particular mask. It's an organic mask and it is an organic detan mask, I would say. We have given the cleanser and sometimes what happens, you just buy a detan mask and you don't have a cleanser, you don't sometimes clean properly, you apply the mask, you remove it and there is always a coat of dirt and mask and dirt on the skin. So for that we want to make sure that we give the cleanser inside the box so that it cleans it properly. Trust me, I'm again repeating it, the more you clean your skin properly, any facial, you do any cleanup, the better result you get. So the cleansing is a very important step for any kind of facial service. you do, and I'm going to apply it and spray it again. Right? So it's very, very soothing. I can apply on your skin also. Nice. Do you feel anything? You feel what you feel? Do you feel any fragrance? No. So it's without any chemical, without fragrance, without any artificial adore, nothing on this particular product. It just works and balances the pH of the skin as well as activate the ingredients of this particular mask. So we add, because there's too much of air in this room sometimes, depending on winter season or within summer season, you may have to, the application of this product varies. Sometimes we may say that the product is not getting dry a lot, but then you don't have to apply. As soon as you see it's getting dry, you have to apply the product. And it's enough product to use it for 6 particular services. It's more than enough, right? We did all our R&D and everything. So how much time left for 10 minutes? Okay. So I want to ask one question, since you all are technical and everybody has a salon, So most of you, if I give you this product, how do you take this mask out? Option 1, do you want to you want to take the mask with a wet cotton, or you want to massage this mask and then take it out, or you want to emulsify? There's a difference between massage and emulsify. You emulsify and then take it out. Who is going to answer with us? Emulsify and take. Anybody who says that I'm going to massage this mask so that you assume that it's going to give you more result? Do you want to do that? Do you think people do that? The beautician do that most of the time? I've seen by my own eyes. I've seen a detailed mask getting scratched on the skin, and the beautician thought it's going to give a more result and more result and more result. But it doesn't work like that. So you agree. You agree it happens. How many of you are honest to agree? Tell me. It happens, right? We do that. So the best way to educate your beautician, your technician, that if it's a mask, the function is mask. If it's a massage cream, you massage, because you can't apply a cream like a mask and you cannot do a massage of a mask. So everybody have their own way of working on the skin. But yes, I want to be very clear, we emulsify. Emulsify doesn't mean massage. So we don't massage any mask just to get a better result, but we just emulsify and to take the mask out very clearly, right? Do you agree? Do you think you have to massage this mask to get a better result? No? So you give me, what is that? Like, you promise me that you will not do that? Okay. It's time, it's already 10 minutes or 5 minutes? It's 5 minutes, exactly, 5 to 4 minutes. We'll wait for another 5 minutes, The maximum time you can keep it for 15 minutes. One more thing, it doesn't matter that you keep it for half an hour, it will get more result. The mask stops working after 15 minutes, irrespective you keep it for longer period or a shorter period. 14 to 15 minutes is the maximum the mask has to be on the face, right? And after that you can remove it. But if you keep it for 5 minutes, definitely the result doesn't come that quickly. So we recommend from the brand, from Enty, that yes, the maximum is 15 minutes you have to keep the mask. The minimum is 10 minutes you have to keep the mask on the face, right? Just wanted to give you more details about Mentry. Mentry is a brand from US, and we are very popular for our manicure pedicure products. We have a very, very wide range of manicure, pedicure and facial products, and we are coming up with a lot of facial detail. You can follow us on Instagram and you can see the kind of updated products. Every 6 months we innovate and the products we launch. And the manicure pedicure is definitely in the market for last 7, 8, 10 years. How many years, Terence, it's there in the market? We have anti-aging facial and a detailed facial inventory also. You can check all the products next to, once you enter, right in the corner we have a inventory stall, and I would like all of you to please visit. And if you come and say and tell them that you've attended the demo, Terence will give you free gifts, right, Terence? Okay, fine. The honor said they will give you free gifts. Okay, so we have almost 8 minutes on the screen. Let me. Any one of you want to come on stage and see the product? Come. Come and see the product. Come on. We are all the same. I'm also a musician. So, it's very important for you to see the product, feel the product, and so we're going to apply this product on your hands for you to see and how you're feeling about the product. So what is the feel of the mask on your skin once I apply? Does it warm? It's feeling cool, right? Does it immediately give you any kind of sensation? Right, it's like smooth on the skin. So, and you can smell it, and you think it's smelling bad because the color looks maybe bad a little bit. Okay, it's not okay, but it has no artificial any kind of artificial odor. I'm saying because a lot of clients feel that once we smell it good, the product is good. That's not necessary. So this is absolutely pure, organic, Detan charcoal mud mask. Very simple and very simple to use, very simple to remember. Okay, so you're feeling fresh about it, right? Nothing. So we also want to check on your hand to see the result. So before, after, your time starts now. And now it's 10 minutes. Let me remove the mask. Thank you so much. So this is emulsifying. So from audience, do you guys have any question? Come on, Bangalore. Be little active. Do you have any questions on this mask, or do you think it's very complicated to remember? What kind of consultation you need for this particular service? Skin type and any other. We don't have any contraindication for this product, honestly speaking. Like I said, it's very safe product for any skin condition, any skin type. However, if you really think the skin is super sensitive, in any case, when the skin is super sensitive, we as technician and beautician doesn't perform. We definitely recommend to go to a dermatologist. So yes, still particular skin consultation is required because I will not perform this mask on a client who has done laser immediately. For example, the client has done a facial hair removal laser just 24 hours before. In that scenario, I will not apply, right? Or a client has done a face waxing, right? So these are very simple, very simple, I would say, things to remember that you will not be able to do or perform this particular product or this put on client's skin if a client has done any kind of facial waxing or a laser or what else? What else you think? What else you think that if a client has done on the skin, we will not be able to do this particular mask apart from waxing or any other peel? Yes, peel. Suppose a client has done some kind of heavy peel like a glycolic peel or a very strong kind of a skin peeling or a microdermabrasion, any kind of these services, we won't be able to do this particular service because the skin is already sensitized and the pH is also different. So we will make sure that the skin is subside and after that we can apply this product. The best way to take this particular product out from the client's skin, guys, is cotton or sponge, the yellow sponge. We are just doing it with wet sides. Sometimes I have received a question from one of my clients when she says that since it is black and my pores, I have an open pores, do you think this particular mask will give any color, on my open pores? So in that case, yes, it will never give any or leave any kind of color if there is an oily or open pore skin. Yeah, so I know that the time is over. I'm going to quickly remove. So I want to ask the model, did you feel any kind of tingling again while the mask? Yes, please. Did you feel any kind of sensation or any tingling, any burning effect? Okay. What did you say? Okay, right. So the best way to clean this particular detailed mask is with sponge and cotton, and I want you to use a sunscreen. It's very important to use the sunscreen. That's why we have this sunscreen. Please use the sunscreen after any detail for that matter. The sunscreens which we have in our box is around SPF 50 or 30. SPF 30, right, which is a good enough SPF to protect your skin from the UV rays. And sorry, so we have SPF sunscreen with SPF 30 which we can apply, and please don't forget to apply this. This is very, very important product. Okay, and for after any detail you can apply this sunscreen, because after a particular detail mask, any detail mask, including ours, the skin pH changes, so it's very important for protection of the skin. So I want one of you to give me an honest feedback. You can see the difference, right? You can see a very clear before and after difference. Okay, and we have just put it for 10 minutes. So I am sure if you put it for 15 minutes, which I have seen a result myself on my clients, it absolutely gives a very, very clear, color changes, a lighter shade on the skin, and it's safe to use, right? So I just want to on dry skin. Yes, you can. You can. So I say it's all skin type. So we have 4 skin types. We have dry, normal, oily, and combination. You can put it on all skin type. We have different skin condition like sensitive, acne, pigmentation, any kind of skin type, open pores, any kind of skin condition you can put it. There is only one simple contraindication. Any client who has done a laser immediately, or any kind of peeling or facial waxing, don't apply this product immediately. Just make sure there is a gap of 14 hours depending on the intensity of the peel. For facial waxing, if somebody has done a face waxing, you can within 24 hours you can apply. Yes, you can do that. Yeah, but we would, as a technician, we can say we do the facial waxing. After 1 day you can do this. That will give a better result. Yeah. Because if you do a face waxing, it will again change the pH of the skin. Right? Thank you so much, Shia and Professional Beauty for Akaida Sunscreen for having us. Thank you so much, audience. Right, for being so patient. Please, you have a question? Okay, you will say hi to me? Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Right, thank you so much and enjoy the show. Please, you are more than welcome to come to Minty stall number 210 right here and buy the product at a discounted price and we will give you a free gift. And thank you for being so wonderful audience. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anushka. Can we have the model?
Thank you so much. Let's clap for the model also. Difference, eh? Okay, thank you.